Have you ever searched something on Google and noticed some website showing star ratings, facts, prices, or extra information directly in search results, while others only show a plain blue link? The difference often happens because of something called structured data, also known as schema markup. And the interesting part is most beginners completely ignore it. So in this video, I will explain what structured data actually is, how schema markup works, why it matters for SEO, and how beginners can start using it easily without confusing technical language. So let's begin. First is what is structured data? Structured data is basically a way to help search engines understand your content better. Humans can easily understand a web page. For example, if you visit a recipe blog, you instantly know it's a recipe. Cooking time is 30 minutes, rating is 4.8. But search engines don't naturally understand content like humans do. They need extra information. That extra information is called structured data. It acts like labels attached to your content. You are telling Google, this is a product, this is a blog article, this is a review, this is an fact. And because of this clarity, Google can display your content more effectively in search results. Then, what is schema markup? Now, let's understand schema markup. Schema markup is actual code added to your website that creates structured data. Think of structured data as a concept and schema markup as an implementation. The code follows a standardized format understood by major search engines. Now, don't worry, you do not need to become a programmer for this. Today, SEO plugins and tools can generate schema automatically, especially if you use WordPress. So beginners can also use schema very easily. Now comes why schema markup matters for SEO. Now the big question is why is schema markup important for SEO? First, it improves your search appearance. Instead of showing a normal boring result, Google may show ratings, facts, product prices, images, recipe details. These are called rich results, and rich results attract more clicks. Second is higher click-through rate. If users see more useful information in your search listings, they're naturally more likely to click your website. Third is better understanding for search engines. Schema helps Google clearly identify your content type, important information, page purpose, and this improves indexing efficiency. Fourth is voice search optimization. Voice assistance depends heavily on structured data to answer user questions quickly. So schema also helps future proof of your SEO. Then comes types of schema markup. There are many types of schema markup, but beginners should focus on those important ones. First is article schema, perfect for blog post. It tells Google about headline, author, published date. Second is fact schema. This helps your question and answer appear directly in Google search results. Third is product schema, useful for e-commerce websites. It can display price, availability, ratings. Fourth is local business schema, very important for local SEO. It helps Google understand business name, location, phone number, working hours. And finally, review schema. This helps display star ratings in search results. Then comes how to do add schema markup. Now let's talk about implementation. The easiest method is using SEO plugins. If you use WordPress, plugins like Rank Math or US SEO can automatically add schema to your website. You simply choose the content type, for example, blog post or product or FAQ, and the plugin handles the technical part. Another option is using online schema generators. You enter details and the tool generates the code automatically. Advanced users can also manually add JSON LD schema code to their websites, but beginners don't need to start there. Now comes common mistakes. Now let's discuss some common mistakes beginners make. First, using the wrong schema type. Don't use product schema on a normal blog article. Second is don't add misleading information. For example, fake ratings, Google may penalize this. Third is not testing schema. Always use validation tools before publishing. And finally, don't overcomplicate things. Start with basic schema implementation first. Now comes the end part. Structured data may sound technical initially, but once you understand the basics, it become one of the easiest SEO improvements you can make. Most websites ignore schema completely, and that gives you an opportunity. Even basic schema implementation can improve search visibility, click-through rates, user trust. So if you are serious about SEO, start using schema markup from today. And if you find this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below what SEO topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in your next video. Thank you.